The videos that you just watched are not real videos. They are generated by AI. And this is by far the most advanced realistic text-to-video generator. And it is by the people behind the ChatGPT. It is called Sora. Sora is by far the most advanced and realistic generator. Sora is by far the winning of all the text-to-video generator. You see the videos generated here are solid, the movement of the camera is really flow, and everything is just like if you are new, you will not realize that this is a AI generated video. So let's type in and check out. Well, at this time, it is not available to everyone. It is made to certain people that they can test it out and report it back to openAI. So we're just going to look at the website and look at the videos that is generated using Sora. Let's get started. We're going to talk about some of the videos, try to look at the details in the videos and the movement, and then we're going to talk about it. But first, let's look at what the capabilities of this text-to-video by openAI can do and some of the research done to do this. So let's have a look at the capability here on the website. You can see it says we are teaching AI to understand and stimulate the physical world in motion with the goal of training models that help people solve problems that require real-world interaction. Introducing Sora, our text-to-video model. Sora can generate videos up to a minute and long while visual quality and adherence to the user prompt. So you can see this one here. This is kind of like a realistic video. The prompt here is: a stylish woman walked down the Tokyo street filled with warm glowing neon. So you can see the warm glowing neon here, and animated by City Cineates. She wears a black jacket, the black jacket there, a long red dress, that's a dress there, and then the black boots, the boots here black, and carries a black purse. So this is the purse here, and she wears sunglasses and red lipstick. As you can see, the detail in the prompt is also portrayed by the video itself, and she walks confidently and casually. The street is damp, you can see as the reflection there, and reflective, creating a mirror effect of the color lights. Many pedestrians walk also, so you can see this is really just like the prompt, and it gives you high detail realistic video that is generated from that. And you can see this one is more like a real person walking by. Apart from the other text to video, this is by far the future of text to video by openAI. And now let's look at the safety here. So in the safety, they're talking about some of the things that people are talking about now. They are trying to put some prompt that are a violation of the policies, like those that request extreme violence, sexual content, hateful imagery, celebrity likeness, and other things that you can see here. So that's something good that this big company openAI have come up with this. Now going to the research, you can see the research is Sora is a diffusion model which generates a video by starting off with one that looks like static noises and then gradually transform it by removing the noises over many steps. So you can see here. Now Sora builds on past research in Dale and GPT models, so all those billions of data being collected and now are using to create this. That is why the videos are just phenomenon high to the next level. So let's have a look at some of the videos that they have here. This is a dog here sitting on the window, and you can see when it look at the movement of the dog, and then you see it's crossing from this window to the other window is more realistic. She's lifting up the leg, so you can see that again. So the dog is, nothing is losing here, everything is intact, the body of the dog. You can see here, and then it's jumping over, just going to the other side of the window. This is more realistic, just like the dog leaping to the other side. Now another one here, three hornbill bird sitting on the tree here, and the camera like drone is moving towards it, and you can see the solid movement in the birds here, so you can see moving from side, showing there. You can see again that one, and then let's have a look at another one again. Now here a little otter is skating, so you can see dancing there, and it's really solid. You can see that. Okay, so that's a big news from openAI with the text to video Sora. Thank you again for watching.